What's up YouTube, it's Danny here. So today is April 5th 2023 and I have something a little different for you guys today. So as you guys can see, I'm pretty much bundled up. Some of my friends back home, sometimes they're curious how much can it snow. So most of you guys probably don't know this, but I come from Southern California where it does not snow at all. And there is a massive snowstorm passing by here in Minnesota, and I'm gonna show you guys. It's been snowing all night, and I actually took a picture of my driveway yesterday, and I'll show you guys right here. But there was absolutely no snow in my driveway, and this is how it looks like at 8 a.m. in the morning, and it started snowing last night. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to snow blow all that before I can get out. Hi guys, the reason I was doing that is because I want to get my car out far enough to where I can get my snowblower. My snowblower is behind my car. That's why I was doing that. But I think I might just pull the car out a little bit, just push the snow. It's kind of tiring. As you can see, there's quite a bit of snow for one night. What's up guys, so I'm finally finished plowing this driveway, and well, that was the start of my morning. It's a common thing you gotta do here in Minnesota, so just thought I showed you guys what I've been up to. See you guys later.